Ako po, ipinanganak akong super yaman. Hindi pagsunugan talaga ako ng pera sa kanila. Gusto nila, sunugin nila ako ng pera nila. Pero sisiguraduhin ko, hindi pa ho ako napapasok. Ubus na yung pera nila. Pero pag sila ho sinunog ng pera ko, pati ngipin at buto nila, abo na. Yung pera ko hindi pa ho naaabot.
Now, I am live, okay? As you can see, if you can look at the page, you can see me talking to you live. I'm handling my phone over my ear. Now, this is the thing. They reported me many times because, you know, I'm a political exposed personality in the Philippines, okay? If you can check in the Google, I have run for the Senate in 2022 election and I got 5 million votes. Yes, now, when every time I upload my very own video, there is so many person who try to capture my video and repost it for two